Akenya aria makoretwo makibatara njohi iri na urebi wa iguru riu ni mahingeirio mabataro mao thutha wa kambuni ya Keroche Breweries kuruguria muthemba mweru wa njohi ya Vienna Ice Strong Lager iria iri na urebi wa gicunji gia 10% na iria riu noyo njohi ya mucuba uri na urebi wa iguru guku bururi-ini.
We can only get them from the imports. The other parts of the world they do. And then you wonder, why do we let our people, when we have the technology, we have the machines, we've invested heavily, so we've decided to take that gap.
Riri ni itacokia kuri bururi kuona Akenya kaingi mahuthagira njohi cia urebi wa iguru kuma nja wa bururi, na oho ni mweke wa kwadadura utonga wa bururi amu riu kambuni ino ni kuongerera marihi ma igoti na ciringi bilioni 1.
The only thing that can make a country or the economy survive is just by building our own manufacturing plants, that we know 100% whatever they sell, the money is put in our banks. Not that we are depending on foreign investors only, where we know whatever they collect money, the following day it's taken to their countries of their origin. So we'll continue pushing this so that we can all believe in ourselves and we start building our own manufacturing plants that we know they are here to stay.
Kambuni ino no itungitio igutha inene ni king'uki gia COVID-19 kuria maracokete thi na gicunji kia 25 hari igana ukiringithania na mwaka wa 2019. Ona gutuika Karanja oigite mari na mwihoko ni mekuruguria njohi ingi ya urebi wa gicunji gia 12 hari igana mieri-ini 3 yukite, na oho kurehe mieke ya mawira kuri muingi.
Whatever we were doing in 2019, we can now say maybe we are doing a quarter of what we are doing. So it's so small number, it's a small number, but we are hopeful that everything will come back to normal.
Munene wake Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni o Kipchirchir oigite kioneki giki gikinyanire kurumirira uria njohi muthemba wa KB iria yaruguririo mwaka muhituku itikiranite na njira nene ni Akenya, guku akiuga njohi ni no njeru mari no hoti wa guthondeka cuba 40,000 o mwaka.
We continue to do the market research and we realize that there is a bigger number of people who still want a stronger beer than the KB, slightly almost double the alcohol content.
Hadoini Hakameme TV getwa waithira wa Kihara.